I wasn't actually gonna come out here today. So you know when you have those days, particularly now, what with COVID and lockdown and all that, it's difficult to get off your ass and do something because you can't go out and, I don't know, do anything that you want to do. Those days when you don't want to do something, when you just can't be bothered, when your brain is like, oh, let's just stay in bed. That's when you should go out and do something. So here I am, out in the shop. Today I'm going to do something a bit different. I'm going to be running right-hand beads with filler. And then I'm going to swap hands, and then I'm going to run a left-hand bead back the other way. And see how that goes. Yeah, I don't know. Might be terrible, probably going to be terrible. Oh god, I'm tied up. Ah! Alright, that was the first right-hand bead. That went pretty well. Now we'll change it over and find out what happens now, hey? Definitely harder, not like crazy hard. Obviously the first one I ran was the top one here, and I was going right-handed, so I was going this way. Switch hands and then ran the left-hand bead. Got a bit hung up here. I stubbed my filler rod into my tungsten and I ran it to the end. Yeah, I got a little bit hung up here as well, and then a little bit blew through the edge. Should have come off the button a bit sooner. Let's freaking do it! Ugh. Yeah, well.
12 seconds later.
Ah, damn it.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Got some weird things going on there. Wow. I mean, that's not a bug hole. That's a freaking cave. Oh man. I was getting crazy out of shape there. Firstly, the filler rod I was using was, well, by the end of it, that big. So I was running out of kind of space, I guess, to work. I picked up some kind of crap right on this corner here on the right hand bead, running this way, which I don't know, you can see this oxidization, I guess. Also did a real number on my tungsten too, and then picked up a lot of porosity and crap right here. I don't know if there was something on the workpiece, I'm not sure. Cleaned up my tungsten and I've wheeled it off, as you can see. Gosh, wow. Yeah, that got absolutely wrecked. What I did notice getting into that is that I was immediately out of shape. I was rocking all over the place. The cable on the torch is it's sort of sitting on my lap. If I have it sort of hanging down by my leg, it sort of pulls down on the torch, but with it sitting on my lap, it sort of pushes the torch up, so this thing is driving me crazy. Yeah, that was very, very messy. Things have kind of gone wrong more on the, I think, the end of the left-hand beads. The right-hand beads have gone down okay. The left-hand beads have started okay and then sort of gone wrong. There's a couple of beads on here that are okay-ish. Last couple of passes, a couple more beads, one right, one left. And then quit TIG welding and sell my welder, I guess. Wow. I don't know what the hell happened at the end of that one.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I mean, yeah, that one began to, I don't know, spit like a freaking stick weld. And you can see this huge crater in here, look at that. Didn't end on a strong note. 14 beads, maybe 6? I don't know, okay, I guess. Not super great, but so I just went ahead and took a wheel, just a knot wheel, to knock off the saw the oxidization and all that kind of stuff. So you can see it's sort of the profile of the beads a bit better. And also the bug holes, and Jesus, look at this one. This, I have to admit, is a super, super cool exercise. Did enjoy it a lot, actually. This exercise, I don't know, taught me a couple of things, I guess. One, I don't know, welding with my left hand sometimes turned out better than welding with my right hand. The porosity that I picked up in places here and bug hole crater that I got here, I'm not entirely sure what caused that. And I got this kind of weird, like down here, you'll see on the video, some weird like sparking up going on. Maybe there was something on the surface or on the tungsten or the filler, I don't know, something was getting introduced that wasn't conducive to welding, and I'm not sure what entirely that was. Some oxygen got sucked in or something. Again, don't really know, but yeah, super fun. Really enjoyed doing that. As always, thanks for joining me out in the home shop. See you next time.